In the world of professional photography, retouching has always been one of the most labor-intensive tasks. Every photographer knows how much time and effort it takes to process each shot, especially when dealing with large volumes of work. However, with the advancement of artificial intelligence technology, the retouching process has become significantly faster and easier. The introduction of AI in photo editing simplifies workflows, drastically reduces editing time, and maintains high-quality results. Please note, this video might be lengthy, so for your convenience, you can navigate through all the chapters listed in the description or on the YouTube timeline. Welcome to the Retouch4me channel. My name is Dennis, and today I will explore why you need the Retouch4me panel for Photoshop, how it works, what processing modes it offers, and which plugins it supports. So let's dive in. Why do you need this? It's convenient. Apply any plugins without needing to go into the filters menu. Simply select the desired plugin and click Retouch. It's faster. Retouching is at least 5 times faster when using all plugins simultaneously. It's automated. No need to worry about the order of plugin application. The panel automatically applies them in the best sequence. How does it work? Download the panel. Get the panel from the Retouch4me site or Adobe Cloud. Select Plugins. Choose which plugins to apply and configure their settings if necessary. Click Retouch. Wait for your image to be retouched. Choose how to receive the result, on separate layers or as a single layer. First launch. Where to start? You can find out where to download and how to install the panel in this video in our channel. The link will be in the annotations and descriptions below. So, in front of you is an AI retouch panel that impresses with its functionality. It includes a vertical list of plugins and a choice of processing type: Cloud Retouch or On-Device. Let's start with the processing types. What's the difference? It's simple. Cloud Retouch. This is cloud processing that doesn't require a powerful computer. All you need is an account on a website, and that's all. You can try this service for free for first 20 retouches, after which you need to purchase a subscription. To start using the plugin, click the login button in the upper right corner and go to the website to authorize. On-Device. This processing mode uses plugins that have already been purchased and installed on the computer. If a plugin is not installed, the system will notify you and redirect you to the download page for the selected plugin. Now let's go through the plugins one by one and see what they are capable of, starting from the top down. Heal. Designed to correct minor skin imperfections. This plugin works like a healing mask. You no longer need to highlight each blemish on the face with a brush. The plugin automatically identifies and retouches skin areas. Also, the plugin preserves the skin's texture down to the finest pores, just as you would do manually. This makes the plugin perfect for professional retouching. Mattifier. If you've often encountered shine on your model's faces due to flash in a dark room or the model's skin moisture, this plugin will remove the shine like mattifying white. There's no need to select anything. The plugin identifies and corrects the areas itself. Dodge and burn. Got a bad makeup artist? and skin imperfections are still visible in the photo. The Retouch4me plugin is ideal for these tasks. It automatically retouches portraits, highlighting and darkening areas of the photo, just like high-end retouchers do. You can also manually edit the retouching results using a soft light layer. Dodge and Burn can create a soft light layer for a completely non-destructive editing process. Portrait volumes. Creating volume in a portrait manually is a challenging task, even for experienced retouchers. Need to enhance cheekbones or do contouring in post-processing? Want to achieve flawless and expensive retouching, worthy of glossy magazines? This plugin is designed to enhance the visual depth of portraits using light and shadow. It adds contrast to portraits, makes the eyes slightly brighter, highlights the lips and nose, and increases the sense of depth in the images. Skin tone. This plugin is designed to even out skin tones, correcting redness or lightened areas of the skin. It works not only on the face, but also on other exposed areas of the body. Eye vessels. The plugin recognizes eyes and removes blood vessels and redness, preserving the original shape of the eyes and the natural color of the whites. Eye retouching is a meticulous task due to the small area that a retoucher can work with. This plugin simplifies this problem significantly. Eye brilliance. It's like Dodge and Burn, but for the eyes. The plugin enhances the eyes and adds shine, making them more expressive. It also creates a mask for the eye area on a separate layer, allowing you to make additional changes, whether to enhance or modify the model's gaze. Dust. This plugin is designed to remove small dust particles from clothing and is equally effective for removing particles from various objects, from bottles and tubes to jewelry and watches. If you encounter this problem in your photos, you know how painstaking it is to remove each speck while preserving the original texture of the surface. The plugin helps eliminate them much more quickly. White teeth. Often, after applying warm toning to photos, teeth appear yellow. This plugin is designed to create bright white smiles, identifying and whitening teeth in the photo. It works even on group portraits. Skin mask. This plugin helps to isolate skin into a separate layer with one click for subsequent manipulations. You can isolate the face, body skin, or entire skin area. This plugin is suitable for artistic accents on photos as well as for grouping other plugins that also work with skin. Fabric. It helps to smooth out wrinkles in clothing without using an iron or sting. The plugin recognizes clothing in the photo and smooths out wrinkles with one click, giving the clothes a neater appearance. Clean backdrop. Noticed that the studio backdrop in a photo shoot has seams or is dirty, but only after the session. No problem. Clean backdrop automatically detects dirt, small wrinkles, and dust on the camera sensor, removing them from our uniform studio background. The plugin doesn't paint over everything in one color, but removes only the dirt, keeping the backdrop looking as natural as possible. Shadow of objects remain untouched, as a way we're shot on the perfectly clean backdrop. Okay, now we go into the settings. To open the panel properties, click the menu icon in the upper right corner of the plugin. Here, you can save or load your plugin settings and reset to defaults, so you don't have to repeat the plugin setup every time you launch. Then, in the opened menu, select the Settings option. If you don't want the plugin to create layers and instead do everything on one layer, enable the Merge Retouched Layers switch. If you are not satisfied with the retouch quality and need higher quality processing, choose the Process in Lossless Format switch. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video or leave your feedback in the comments for our product. Stay tuned.